What's happening, people? Back with another reaction, back with some more Tori Amos, and we're returning to Boys for Pele, 1996. Thank you again to Nigel. And the next tune is Caught a Lite Sneeze, is that right? Let me make sure I have that correct. Yes, Caught a Lite Sneeze. So it sounds like someone who was exposed to a cold, one of the many, many variants of a cold, and is therefore sneezing, maybe coughing, maybe a runny nose, and so on. I imagine there's going to be more to it, or at the least, it won't be specifically or exclusively what it sounds like on the surface, but yes, it sounds like someone who was exposed to some germs and got sick. So let's see what I can pick up on a first listen. This is Tori Amos. The track is Caught a Lite Sneeze, and it's on her 1996 album Boys for Pele.
Lightning see boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. Do 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 do. I need a big leg from a girl down. Do they? Right on time, you get closer and closer. Cool my mind. There's no way I'm used to fail. I rent your wife and kids today, yeah, maybe she will. I said, oh, maybe she will. Caught a light sneeze, dreamed a little dream. Made my own pretty hate machine. Boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. Boys in the closet, and you're not here. I need a big leg from the get
Another singularly unique tune. So, okay, number one, I love the sonics on this one. It had some percussive weight and heft to it, and definitely had a almost, maybe not industrial, but the kick drum and some of the percussive rhythm really had this powerful cycling type of feel to it, but we still get what sounds like harpsichord. I suppose it could be like a celeste or something, but I feel like it's harpsichord-esque. It sounds like that keys, but, you know, plucked instead of struck. There's also this like operatic sound, which I think it's from the layered vocals, which were particularly prominent in the second half. And even the lead vocal line, there's a lot of dynamic evolution of it. Like we hear her soulful in a couple moments, shouting, or at least, you know, singing with great power and intensity in a couple times, and then also like very breathy and almost like she's strained or desperate at a couple other moments. So the song's sonics were very compelling and dynamic and had some flavors that I was really keen to, you know, follow and feel incorporated with the other elements. Lyrically, I don't really know what's happening here. I will say, like, at first it's like she's talking about a breeze, and it made me think of I've talked about this in other reactions, there's this sort of older notion that inclement weather can get you sick, which is not really true. Inclement weather can lower your immune system. So if you're out in the rain and it's really cold and, you know, your body's trying to respond to that and, you know, regulate your temperature, that can actually make you more susceptible to getting sick, but it still requires the presence of pathogens, of germs spread by other people. So yes, I felt like, okay, so maybe we're saying, you know, she was out in bad weather and she got the sneezes or, you know, some form of cold because of that. But then it was like she's suddenly talking about boys here and boys there, boys all around her, and I was thinking like, okay, so maybe, and she didn't know, what was it, like I didn't know what love was or could be, something like that. So then I thought, okay, maybe she, you know, she had some physical interaction with some of these boys, maybe got something like mono, which is like a hyper-specific speculation. But I thought like maybe that's where the sneezes, or, you know, by extension, some form of illness came, because she was exploring love or, you know, sort of romantic or passionate emotion with these boys that are around. But then it was like, what, you know, just make sure you bring your sun. And at first I thought like sun as contrasted with rain or, you know, overcast skies and so on. But then I thought, no, maybe sun spelled with an O. And it was like, what is it, Mr. John or something? So then I was like, oh wait, so it's an adult who's bringing his son, maybe for the purpose of meeting her, interacting with her, finding a partnership or something with her. Maybe this is being imposed on her, I'm not sure. So by the end, I really don't know what's happening narratively, but it sounds like it is related to boys as distinct from, I assume, the female narrator, and in some way this relates to the sneeze that she caught. So yeah, I don't quite know how it all stitches together, but as ever, it's just a journey, an experience listening to her music. As I said, I really enjoyed the sonic flavors of this one. There was also another element that I thought maybe it was an acoustic guitar, but played, you know, with like very powerful and like sweeping type of strums rather than, you know, like a simple sort of acoustic guitar rhythm. But yeah, ultimately a very dynamic and interesting tune. Curious to hear what people have to say. And I do remember when I started this album, people were saying, you know, good luck interpreting the lyrics, you know, these are not easy to penetrate songs thematically, and I'm certainly getting a sense of that, but I look forward to hearing what people have to say about it. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Peace.